All right, so this video is about putting 2012 plus cams in a older brute force to see the power differences. So this would not be possible if it wasn't for Duff's Power Sports. So I reached out to them. They gave me a good price on a set of 2018 cams. Very good shape, good price, good shipping. They replied quickly, good communication back and forth. That's what you want. The 99.6% feedback. That's awesome. Thousands and thousands of parts. Yes, Hunter, I did go on to look for your 450R, see if there's any cases in your Raptor. Unfortunately, they don't have any. But they also have a Facebook page and Instagram. You guys can go on there, check them out. They got videos and all different types of stuff on there. Again, if you need stuff, go follow them. Check them out on eBay. Well, a little disappointed. So reading all the things about putting 12 cams in, it was a big change or whatever. I don't know. It didn't seem to be that huge of a change. I did notice against the 850 that he did not pull on me as much up top. I kind of stayed with him. So that's nice. But looking at mile per hour, it was about the same that it was before. So now maybe if we change up the clutches a little bit to work with these cams, maybe that would help. But as of now, still got second place, which is very thankful for, but really want to get that first place. So if you guys have any other comments or suggestions, throw them in the comment section below. As always, God bless.